Hello everyone, welcome to Specialty Meds, your channel for gaining knowledge about the pharmaceutical industry and related topics. What is the most important aspect when it comes to a pharmaceutical company? What it is manufacturing site? The World Health Organization has set some guidelines for the same. We are going to discuss this here. So stay till the end and please subscribe to this channel to get updated with the pharmaceutical sector. What is WHO GMP? WHO has defined good manufacturing processes for pharmaceutical manufacturers, and there are a few criteria or norms that one company needs to comply with. If a company fulfills the WHO's GMP, it gets the certificate, which is acceptable worldwide. But why it is so? WHO was formed to monitor and set benchmarks for the world health sector. This enables companies to sell their products everywhere in the world as they become uniform in their products. This makes WHO GMP certification an essential aspect when it comes to pharmaceutical manufacturing. What are the criteria for WHO GMP? There are 5 P's that defines the World Health Organization's general manufacturing practices. Over the years, the WHO has set guidelines for pharmaceutical manufacturing companies to comply with. It is driven by 5 P's: people, product, procedure, process, and premises. People associated with the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products have to be professionals who know their work. Products need to be accurate and should have all the requirements that they promises. The procedure that is set needs to be authentic and approved. Process, clarity and precision have to be present in the process of manufacturing. Premises where the medicine and related products are manufactured have to be sanitized and must have the controlled environment required for the products. These 5 P's set the intro for the guidelines for pharmaceutical manufacturing. How to get a WHO GMP certificate? There are some steps that need to be cleared to get a WHO GMP certificate, which includes application, online assessment, sending prototypes with all the details, analysis of quality systems, analysis of computer systems, manufacturing facility analysis, equipment log review, personal review, and final decision. Once the application reaches the next level, on-site inspection will also be held to check whether all the requirements have been fulfilled. Once all the necessary steps are cleared, the following certification can be offered. 1. Certificate of pharmaceutical products. 2. Model statement of licensing status of pharmaceutical products. 3. Unit WHO GMP certificate along with the list of products for which certificate of pharmaceutical products has been granted. Getting this certification from WHO GMP will avoid fines and ensure the company is making quality products. What are the benefits of WHO GMP certificates for pharmaceutical manufacturers? The buyers check whether the manufacturer has a WHO GMP certificate or not. At the same time, the manufacturer has been updating the certificate or not. In the case of a new manufacturing unit, whether has the company updated the certificate or not. It is a pharmaceutical company has a certificate. If a pharmaceutical company has a certificate, then that company will have good reviews, and that is also an important aspect for buyers when making buying decisions. The certificate gives products the industry standard label, which is an important point for a company to grow. Now you know about the guidelines for obtaining WHO GMP certificates for a pharmaceutical manufacturing company. How are the certificates given? What should a company do to get certificates, and how does it impact buyer's choice for the company? If you have any questions related to this subject that we might have left, write in the comment section. So that is it for today. I hope this information will be helpful for you. If you have any question regarding our channel, the pharmaceutical sector, or any other, please write them in the comment section. We answer all the questions and queries. I will come back with some other informative videos. Until then, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I am signing off for today. Have a nice day.